How to use Google Find My Device. Let's get started. First off, make sure you are connected to mobile data or Wi-Fi. Likewise, you are signed into Google account and your location and Find My Device is enabled. Once you check these, you can navigate to the website google.com/android/find, or you can launch your Find My Device app. Sign in using the same Google account linked to the lost phone. Once logged in, you will see your device's location on a map. If it's nearby, tap play sound to make it ring, even if it's on silent mode. You can also tap secure device to lock it with a message and number, or choose erase device to completely wipe your data if the phone is unrecoverable. And that's how to use Google Find My Device. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.